What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Let's check out a few dolls and minis. New Barbie Dream Besties have been showing up online. I picked up Daisy Jean on Amazon for $19.99. On the back of the box, we can see all of the characters for Barbie Dream Besties in an illustration. Underneath, there is information about Daisy Jean's character, who dreams about owning a music label and being a DJ at the biggest festivals around the world. There is a show themed around these dolls, where we can learn more about each character. Out of the box, Daisy has long pink hair. The top is pulled up into two buns, and there are two braids hanging down. The hair feels pretty similar to what you would expect with a Barbie Dreamtopia doll, and might need a little attention out of the box. This is a curvy Barbie Dream Bestie with bluish gray eyes, colorful eyeshadow, little daisies painted on the face, a pink lip color. She is not pixelated, wears a necklace that says Daisy with blue and pink painted details. I think the necklace is pretty cute. She has blue sunglasses with white painted frames, wears a dress with faux ties at the shoulders. It reminds me of little granny squares, but it is a fabric with a woven design. The top is hemmed, the bottom has a scalloped edge that looks like it was singed when cut. The pattern does continue all the way around and it velcros in the back. She wears a white t-shirt with puff sleeves underneath and blue cowgirl boots. With shoes on, this doll stands around 11 inches. Has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She comes with headphones, so she can jam to music. They have large white daisies. She also has a daisy purse with a knit or crochet texture. It is made of plastic and it's open in the top. She comes with cotton candy, what looks like a tablet, a cell phone, and a yellow phone case with beads at the bottom. Kinda love that. The phone fits right into the case, and she can wear it on her wrist. So, for about $20, we're getting a fully articulated doll with clothes that are separate pieces and accessories, with painted details, and she's not pixelated. And I love that we're getting different types of fabrics. I personally would just like to see all the edges folded and hemmed. And we can take a few Barbie accessories from home and paint them so all the dolls can have a colorful beaded necklace. And yes, her clothes can fit a curvy Barbie. I also picked up Barbie Dream Besties Ken on Amazon for about $20. Ken loves filming his outdoor adventures and his favorite class is biology. He has black sunglasses with blue painted rims, a skateboard that says Malibu with wheels that can turn, a water bottle, a tube of sunscreen, an ice cream cone, a green cell phone, and a surfboard cell phone case. He comes dressed in a tie-dye sweatsuit that is two pieces and finished all the way around. It has a hood that can fit and a palm tree graphic on the chest. There is a working kangaroo pocket in the front. He has a blue and white sling bag across his chest and wears pale green sneakers. This doll stands close to 11.5 inches with shoes on, has rooted blonde hair with some product in it, and the sides are sculpted or molded and painted. He has blue eyes and a neutral lip color, and he's not pixelated. Just like Daisy, Ken can move at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. His feet appear to be smaller but maybe wider than a classic Ken. Here are his clothes on a classic Ken. The pants seem to fit just fine, and to me, the sweatshirt is a tiny bit short, but still doable. But overall, I think the quality is pretty good, and it's nice to see Ken with something other than shorts. Oh yeah, I did dress some of the guys on the shelf in shorts. But I ordered more shirts and jeans on Amazon, and now they've arrived. The pants are $10.59 on Amazon, and the shirts are two for $14.99. These are 1/6 scale action figure clothes that I've been buying for our buff kins. They are a little loose on a classic kin, but we get pretty cool details like belt loops and working pockets. There are pockets in the back, and they Velcro in the front. We also get a little belt that actually helps to hold the pants up. The shirts are pretty wide, and the neckline is a little snug, but I can still get the shirt on the doll, and it has a nice loose fit. Here it is on a buffkin, so you can see how it fits differently. The pants are a little snug on the calves of a buffkin, but overall, I think it's pretty realistic looking clothing. Oh, but check that out. The Barbie Dream Bestie kin outfit looks really good on a curvy. Come on, you know I had to try it on a Barbie. Just like these tops from Amazon. It was $9.99 for 6 tops. We've seen these designs before. Mini Toya is often wearing this tan one, but we're getting a few new colors, like this deep red. It is gathered in the center. I usually remove that gather and take the risk of there being holes from the stitching. These are inexpensive tops, and imperfections will and do exist. We have seen the blue and pink top before, but this fashion pack also comes with a sleeveless turtleneck that fits better on a curvy than a classic Barbie. Well, actually, this one does fit pretty decent on a classic Barbie. There is also a blue top and a burgundy. However, the fashion pack that I received does not smell great, and it needs to be washed. I also picked up a red, green, and brown set with a red long sleeve top that is slightly brighter than the first one. Here is the green top from that fashion pack. We do have a few loose threads. And here is the brown. It's kind of like a gingerbread brown. Then we have the short sleeve crop turtleneck in red, green, and brown. And as always with such vivid colors, be careful about staining. Speaking of Amazon, 2 more mini BarbieLand playsets have arrived. This one looks like a grocery store. And again, we can use the packaging as a backdrop for a miniature grocery store scene. There's a checkout counter with little printed details. We have a number here for the checkout number, and it can turn, as well as the produce. We can turn that too. This looks like a freezer, and the door does open. We get a tiny carton of milk that can fit inside. There's a box of cereal, bananas, a shopping cart, and a minifigure that can fit onto the shopping cart. So we can move them around together and place grocery items in the cart. That's a big box of cereal. The minifigure has brown hair and a floral dress and can bend at the waist. The other playset gives us a mini coffee shop backdrop for a mini coffee shop that looks very similar to the Barbie coffee shop playset. There's a counter, a coffee maker, a little Barbie sign, some treats, pictures on the front, another little counter with the menu. There's a tiny pink teacup, a turquoise teacup, a little coffee cup, and a pink cupcake. We can place a cup underneath the little dispenser and then slide it across the counter. And I think this is a seating area too. Let's see, here's the minifigure. Yep, she can sit there. The included figure has blonde hair and a ponytail, wears a black and white striped dress and a pink apron, and can stand behind the counter. I think this mini playset is super cute, probably my favorite one so far, and perfect for the doll who collects dolls. Thank you for joining us while we checked out some Barbie stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase and on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.